Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning we're visiting with Jarod Hines. He's a program coordinator for Room in the Inn, Bowling Green. Good morning, Jarod.
Morning, Kristi. How are you today?
I'm doing well, and I'm so happy that you're with us today. I know that you all do such amazing work at Room in the Inn, but for anyone who doesn't know what you all do, can you tell us the services that Room in the Inn of Bowling Green provides?
Yeah, so our biggest priority is emergency winter shelter. And November through March, we provide overnight shelter to people experiencing homelessness. That is our biggest service that we provide. During the off season, we also have summer hours where we provide free showers, laundry, free food, hygiene items, clothing, and then we can also link services and get out of the heat, stuff like that.
So many amazing services. Now, Jarod, what are the biggest needs for this next season that you all see?
Yeah, so our biggest need is more churches involved or more spaces to have. With Tennessee, they just passed a bill criminalizing sleeping on public property, so we're seeing an increase in homelessness.
So if someone is watching and they are interested in volunteering or getting involved, how can they do that?
Yeah, so there is a multitude of ways that you can get involved. You don't go to a church, that's okay. You can come on down, volunteer your time. We have a Facebook page where we have a lot of information on there that you can go to. You can sign up to make meals for people. We have all kinds of things that people can do.
Sounds like several ways that people can get involved if they're interested. Jarod, what is something that you wish that everyone would do differently in regards to treating homelessness?
Yeah, so I think that the first thing would be to be kind. Homelessness can happen to almost anyone. It's very easy to fall behind, and then whenever you don't have a support system or anyone else to help out, it's a lot harder to get back on your feet. So I think being kind, giving people the benefit of the doubt, and really treating them like they're humans, that's the most important part.
Definitely. Now, you mentioned that you all are looking for more churches to get involved. Can you tell us a little bit about how that works? The churches act as the shelters.
Yeah, so what we do at Room in the Inn, we register volunteers, or we have volunteers and we register the guests. We do weekly COVID testing and we take away any weapons or anything like that. We provide socks, clothing, stuff like that. And then have them shuttled to churches and we provide the cots, the blankets, the pillows. And then at the church, that's kind of the makeshift shelter for the night. They go there, laundry or showers if the church has it. And then we also give them food and then they sleep and then they get dropped back off here in the morning and we have a warming shelter. And then we'll do the same thing the next night at a different church.
Are there any tangible items that you all are looking to collect if someone was interested in collecting items?
Yeah, so right now it's really hot. Our biggest needs are shorts for men and women, backpacks, stuff like that. For the winter, it's usually socks, jackets, coats, hand warmers, stuff like that.
Now, Jarod, if someone does want to drop off those items, should they call you all first, or can they just stop by the office that's located off of 31 W bypass?
Yeah, so the best way would either be to contact us. Our cell phone number is 270-599-6401. Also, we're open on Thursdays and Fridays. So if you want to come drop off donations on those days, I'll be here. And then if that doesn't work for you, you can always message us on Facebook. And
All right, great. Jarod, sounds like you all are doing some really amazing work. If you are watching and are interested in more information on Room in the Inn of Bowling Green, be sure to visit their Facebook page at Room in the Inn Bowling Green or give them a call at 270-599-6401. Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.